You judge me. Wow, what a day. I've just been blown away. Knocked for a loop with malicious words unexpected. Viciously told, I'm no longer respected. From the last person's mouth, I would have thought. Had it not been for my angels holding me back, her and I would have fought. How dare she sit on her pedestal and judge me? Wanting to choke the devil out of her to set her free. Free from the insanity she currently resides in. Right now, I don't care if I ever see her again. If I'm a joke, then let me be. But certainly interesting how it's all good when benefiting because of me. Use my things, invade my space, stab me in the back instead of face to face. Being attacked at every turn by many all over the place. It's sad I can't come home to feel safe in my own space. I'm sick of phony and superficial. I'm angry and hurt right now and won't pretend that I'm not. I was clueless and unprepared for what I got. Dazed and shocked, I need some time to process. Total restoration is anybody's guess. If you ask me today, I could care less. I'm sick of everybody's mess. Not because I didn't go through the same thing myself years ago. I wasn't malicious and nasty about creating my space to grow. I know it's a spiritual warfare. But I just wasn't prepared for the chick to take it there. She went way to the left and hit hard. After our nice and loving talk on Thanksgiving, I let down my guard. Only to be blindsided weeks later. I'm trying real hard to prevent bitterness and hate her. The many sacrifices on her behalf. She has the audacity to point a finger and laugh as if she's high and mighty and better than, as she risks all for some man. Please take a look in the mirror, little girl. You're not that deep. With 2 full-time parents doing it all for you, you have no clue of what I've gone through. Growing up with a single parent, I wasn't blessed with the sum of the same opportunities you've had. But with the little, I learned to count my blessings and be glad. You chose to work. I had to work. So don't get it twisted. Where you are at the present is because you've been greatly assisted by the family that you claim don't care. We'll see when the bottom falls out and the smoke clears who's there. Smelling yourself strong, you look down your nose at me. Who you choose to be is unreal. Hurt, angry, sad, disappointed, shocked. I don't know what to feel. And your name is? I don't think we've met. Since I don't know the person that stands before me with her nose in the air, and you have the nerve to say we don't care, words that were just mean and hurtful, warfare or not, they cut real deep. Out of the abundance of your heart, your mouth will speak. So I'll pray bitterness and resentment don't set in, preventing us from ever connecting again. Heart to heart, soul to soul, sister to sister, friend to friend. God help me to allow my heart to mend.